In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best computer power supply available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the computer power supply mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Thermalright TR-TGFX 850 SFX Gold Full Modular PSU. The Thermalright TR-TGFX 850 is a high-performance SFX power supply designed for modern gaming rigs. Featuring a full modular design, it ensures easy cable management and a clutter-free setup. With active PFC for stable power delivery and a built-in cooling fan, it offers efficiency and reliability. It includes 2 SATA ports for versatile connectivity, making it a great choice for compact yet powerful builds. Now available at a 51% discount, it's a great deal for gamers and PC builders. Number 4, JULONGFENGBAO 850W Gold RGB Full Modular PSU. The JULONGFENGBAO 850W PSU is an ideal choice for high-performance gaming PCs. It boasts 80+ gold certification, ensuring excellent energy efficiency. Designed for esports setups, it provides stable power with overcurrent, overvoltage, and undervoltage protection. The 12V pressurized output delivers consistent power to the CPU and GPU. With its full modular design and RGB lighting, it's both efficient and stylish. At 53% off, this PSU is a cost-effective solution for serious gamers. Number 3, Aigo AK1000 RGB Gaming Power Supply. The Aigo AK1000 is a powerful 1000W PSU designed for high-end gaming and mining PCs. It features a 12 cm RGB cooling fan for silent operation and effective heat dissipation. With 4 SATA ports, it supports multiple storage options. Its non-modular design simplifies installation, making it beginner-friendly. Active PFC ensures efficient power conversion, enhancing system stability. Now available at a 53% discount, it's an affordable yet high-performance option for power-hungry gaming and mining setups. Number 2, TFSKYWINDINTL 1000W ATX Modular PSU. The TFSKYWINDINTL 1000W ATX PSU is an excellent choice for gaming and professional workstations. It features an ultra-quiet FDB fan for silent operation and multiple safety protections to safeguard components. With 80+ gold certification, it delivers high efficiency and reduced energy waste. Its full modular design allows for clean and hassle-free cable management. Now at a 52% discount, this PSU offers a balance of power, reliability, and efficiency for demanding PC users. Number 1, METALFISH SFX 500W 80+ Bronze Full Modular PSU. The METALFISH SFX 500W PSU is perfect for compact builds using mini ATX or micro ATX chassis. Its full modular design ensures easy installation and optimized cable management. Featuring 80+ bronze certification, it provides stable and energy-efficient performance. Supporting 100-240V input, it is versatile for different regions. With a sleek black finish, it blends seamlessly into modern setups. While offering a modest 3% discount, it remains an excellent choice for small form-factor PC builders.